Are you doing Shopify dropshipping or e-commerce? This video is for you. I have a few secret tips that can help you skyrocket sales. So let's get started. First, after turning ads off, don't turn them on again. It's super crucial when you are working in your campaigns. Don't just turn off the blue button, and when you feel like it, just turn it on. The best way to do it is duplicate whatever is off, work on the campaign, make the changes you want to make, and then start running that campaign again, because the momentum of the campaign will be lost. So it's crucial that you don't turn off and back on again. The second tip is test at least 5 new interests per day so you know what works and what doesn't, okay? First, if you're running a single interest campaign in the initial phase, go to the previous day campaign and you see what interests are working or what doesn't. If you already spent 3 times the cost of the product and it's not bringing any sales, turn it off, okay? Just go inside the campaign and turn off the ad sets that's not bringing sales. And the same day after turning it off, create a new campaign with 5 new interests so you can start testing new interests and see what works, okay? So it's super crucial. And the campaign from the previous day, let's say is this one, for example. So we go and turn off the one that's not bringing money. But let's say that after 2 other days, the same campaign, I had 3 interests left, but only 1 still bringing money. So we turn off the other 2, okay? And we are only left with 1 interest from the initial campaign. And that interest will be spending only the budget from the ad set, okay? That's super important, that in the initial phase, you test and you always add 5 new interests daily on new campaigns and turn off the interests that are not bringing money. The third tip will be to always create photos, videos, and thumbnails. So you have to be testing that every single day. Let's say that the first 2 days you use the same videos, but on the third day, you go on your Facebook page and post 3 new posts, 3 new videos, so the same videos with 3 different thumbnails. That way you can test and see how it goes. So that day, instead of referencing the old post, you start running and reference those new posts. So you see how it works and if the thumbnails do better than the other ones, and you're always testing new videos. The same thing, you turn off whatever is not working after the 24 hours, okay? Fourth tip is to create new retargeting campaigns at least once a week and turn off the ones that are not making money. The same concept with your retargeting. If you see that your retargeting is not moving well, maybe film new retargeting videos, create new retargeting photos, and create new campaigns that retarget to the people that are visiting and watching your ads. Remember, if you are running a watch at 95% video view retargeting, always create a new audience with the new videos you are referencing. If you're adding new videos and posts to your profile, remember you have to make a bundle of all the videos you have run. So the idea is that you edit and add all the videos that you have posted on your Facebook page so you can reference everyone that watched 95% of the video, okay? So it's super important that you update your retargeting audience so you can reference later on, and all the new people that are watching your ads are also being retargeted. Lastly, it's important to remember not to do Facebook ads if you don't have enough budget to do them, okay? So you can start with meme page marketing, influencer marketing before jumping into Facebook ads. That way you can build some capital and then be able to afford $450 a day to be able to market your product, okay? It's super crucial because the first few days will be maybe break even or at a loss. So it's important for you to be mentally prepared that you might need at least 7 to 14 days to develop your pixel and to build up all the data that you need to be at the lookalike audience level, okay? So don't rush the process. If you don't have the budget, start with influencer, meme pages, start with shoutouts. It is easier and you won't need a lot of capital to start buying shoutouts on Instagram, and you can maybe bring 5 to 10 sales a day, and then you can jump and start doing Facebook ads. Thank you so much for watching. You now know how to optimize your campaigns to increase sales. So now go ahead and put it in practice. See you in the next one.